Imagine going through thousands or even millions of Lego pieces just to find that one missing piece. If it were up to you, you'd look like this. Our client, kind of like a Netflix for Lego, faced a similar problem. Users rented Lego sets, played with them, and returned them to our client. Our client then needed to find missing pieces from these returned sets before shipping them to other users. They had an existing image recognition system which wasn't very efficient or accurate. In order to make life easier for our client, we integrated their existing system with our own self-improving, deep learning-based image recognition system via a robust web API. This new integrated system could now be used by literally anyone without prior knowledge of computer vision. Our solution resulted in almost 70% reduced human effort and a further reduction in cost by taking over the remaining 30% manual work. Finding missing Lego pieces is now a breeze for our client. Glad we could help.